Well, thank you very much for the introduction, Dave. Now, what we want to talk about today in this short lecture is options for listening architectures for Apex applications. I'm going to run through some basics here in this as well, and just to set the background, to make sure we're all on the same page of the manual, as it were, because I've found over the years that web listening architecture tends to be something that slips between domains at many IT shops. Setting up listeners, should that be done by a database administrator team, or should it be part of the development domain? No one really seems to know, and in some environments it's the head lead developers who manage the web listeners, in other environments it's the DBA who manages, or system administrators even, who manage the web listeners. It's always split, it's a role split between the two domains of development and administration in most circumstances. So some of what I'm going to go through may seem a bit trivial to developers, some of it may seem a bit trivial to administrators, but please bear with me on that. That's just the way it is, because the product does sit between those two domains. I'll begin by looking at what is the HTTP request response cycle. We have to have a basic understanding, make sure we're all at the same level with that, so we can then see how HTTP is used to get to Apex applications. I'll run through what an Apex application is. It's nothing magical. It's just PL/SQL. It's a set of wizards for developing PL/SQL applications. And I'll run through how to design a PL/SQL web application from basics, and then we'll move on to Apex itself. And having understood how the Apex application works, we can then look at the options for the listening architecture, the way users actually connect to your Apex applications, the way developers connect to Apex applications. And the three significant options for that: the embedded gateway, using a module, an Oracle-supplied module for an Apache web listener, or the Apex listener, which is a custom-written servlet, or in effect a servlet, written specifically to handle Apex listening requests.